Hello, this is Kyle with Rocket Man Plumbing, and today we're going to talk a little bit about garbage disposals. What I have here is a 5 half horsepower Badger InSinkerator. I prefer at least the half horsepowers, not the third horsepowers, because they seem to have more problems getting stuck. I just want to cover a couple things that can go wrong with the garbage disposal that you might be able to fix on your own. One, you hit the garbage disposal button to turn it on and nothing happens. What has happened is on the bottom of this, there is a red reset button. Normally what you have to do is you can either lay on your stomach and look for the button, or you can feel for it. And you push that button back in, and then you test it again to see if it works. If it hums for a few minutes and then kicks this off again, that means something inside this garbage disposal is stopped up. So what you want to do, and we've all heard the noise where you get something in your garbage disposal that sounds like a trash compactor, and it sounds terrible. Some form of metal or plastic is inside this that shouldn't be. So what you do is you take this flapper and you lift it up, and then you get a little flashlight and you look inside there, and you're looking for an object that shouldn't be there. If you see one, then you get a pair of needle nose pliers, and you go in with the flashlight and your needle nose pliers, and you try and grab whatever it is. Now, one other thing, if you have a garbage disposal, you might have seen this tool underneath your kitchen sink, and you might not know what it was for. What it's for is if the garbage disposal gets seized up, it's not moving, it's humming, and then kicking off that reset button. Directly in the center, on the bottom of your garbage disposal, there's a hole. What you want to do is you want to stick this tool in that hole, and you want to be able to move it. If it doesn't move, something's stuck in there. But you use this to free it up. Once you free that up, you get out what was in this out. You can turn this on, and it should work just like it did before. If it's still seized up, if you can't move this, no matter what you do, that means the garbage disposal is seized up and you're gonna have to replace it. But like I said, there's a few easy things that you can do that you might not need to call a plumber for. If you do need to replace this garbage disposal, call Rocket Man Plumbing, and we'll come out and take care of it for you. Thank you.